Noreen, and with me here is Fiha, and Fiha is going to make the patrons. I have made these patrons with the caps and matchsticks. So Fiha is going to follow the same pattern and she is going to make them over here. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications related to the new video. Okay Fiha, please start. So pattern making is very important activity for the children, and it helps them to improve their cognitive skills. It helps them to improve their eye and hand coordination. It helps them to improve their fine motor skills, and also it helps them to improve their thinking process, that how they have to meet the same pattern. Okay, I hope you are liking this activity. So she is following the same pattern and she is placing the sticks accordingly. Wow, you have completed all 5 patterns very beautifully and correctly. Thumbs up Fiha for you. If you had khadi ho jao zara. Okay, so yes, okay, show me your thumbs up.